Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be making these beautiful buttons. You can see how the border of color changes for both left and right side. I'll be making these beautiful buttons in this video, and you can see how the text shadow changes as well. Let's start off with the div of class container. Inside the div of class container, I will give it href of empty, and inside that I will create a span of button basically. Now let's copy it and paste it because I'm doing it with two buttons. So now let's move to the style.css and give it a margin of 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, and a font family of sans serif. Now move to the body display of flex. Justify content should be center, align item should be center, min height should be 100 VH, background should be 0E1538 like that. Now I will start off with the class of container, and for the class of container I will give it a display of flex, justify content center, align item center as well. Flex direction should be column, and I will take this container and take the anchor tag and give it a position of relative. Now give it a width of 160 pixels, height should be 60 pixels, display should be inline block. Now giving it a background of white and a margin of 20 pixels as well like that. Now taking the div of class container and before give it a content of empty, position should be absolute, inset should be 0, background should be F00 basically red, transition should be 0.5 seconds. I want to show you basically how it look like or how it will change. Now give it after as well. Now taking the div of class container, now you can see that there is basically a button. I'm taking the span, give it a position of absolute, top of 0, left of 0 as well, width of 100%, height of 100% as well, display of inline block, background should be this color, z index should be 10, display should be flex, and justify content center, align item center as well like that. Font size should be 1.2 em, text transform should be uppercase, button should have the uppercase letters, and now you can see the buttons. Now I will simply copy it and paste it, and with also this I will add a hover effect to it as well, and you can see now I will give it an inset of -3 pixels. Okay, now we need to copy and paste it and move it after as well, or the after effect as well like this. Now when I hover over it, you can see how it looks like. Now give it a filter blur basically to give it a blur effect of 10 pixels. Now you can see you are viewing a blur effect. Now after I have added the blur, now I just need to copy it, this one, and paste it, and after pasting it I just need to add for the anchor tag the nth child for 1, and now for the after as well nth child of 1 for the first button basically, and for the after as well and for the before as well again. Now what I need to do is I will simply give it a background of linear gradient for 45 degrees and for color of 00 CCFF and another color of 0E1538. Okay. Now give it a line of center as well. Now you can see I'm basically getting the left bottom side, but I'm not done with the top right. So I will give it another color of D400D4. Now you can see I'm getting my left and right colors. You can see how good it looks like. Now I copy it and paste it and change it to style 2 for the second button as well, and changing the colors. Basically I'm just changing the colors for the below button, and change this to basically changing the bottom color, or maybe adding another color. Let me see, just remove this and add another color like that, and adding another color of 1AFF22. Okay, now you can you can see I'm getting two colors, two buttons. Now add a letter spacing of 2 pixels between the button alphabets and give it a color of white, and border should be 1 pixel solid, and color of #040A29. Now I'm almost done, but I just need to, for the container span of before, just add the content of empty. Position should be absolute, top should be 0, left should be -50 pixel, percent, width should be 10%, 100%, and height should be 100% as well. Background should be RGBA of 255, 255, 255, and an opacity of 1. Okay, now you will see the distance. Give it an overflow of hidden. Okay. Now just what we simply need to do is give it change the opacity like that, and transform skew to 25 degrees like that. Now you are seeing the basically this whole vertical skew line, and I am done. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.